everybody, this is Jacob Vile. Today I'm going to find out how much money I've got in my stereo system. So stay tuned, this is going to be an interesting one. So I've never really done a video on how much money I've spent on my vehicle with the whole system inside. This will be a 2021 update as well, if y'all are curious to kind of see how much it costs for what I have in here. I'll break down everything from my equipment, electrical, consumables, everything. And by the end of the video, you'll see the full result. So go ahead and hit the like button if you haven't, and subscribe. And welcome to my channel, Jacob Vile 2, my second channel for a lot of build updates and more. So if you haven't already, you got to watch the videos. I'll be sure to have a build playlist you'll see on my channel. Go to My Setup 2021 and you'll see all the videos for how I got here. And as well as check out, if you want, links in the description to show support. And you can join me over here on any of my social media as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Gonna just pretty much talk about it, and it'll see a number somewhere. I'll put it on the screen. I'll edit it in as I actually tally everything up. But I'm gonna just talk about cost, and you'll see a tally add up as I go. All right, so we'll start with the back first. And keep in mind that this will be pretty much what I know as new cost. Everything was pretty much bought brand new. I don't buy used equipment really. So, all right, so we got with electrical fans, these were $30 each. So we'll go with $60 for both of those. My voltage meter here was $20, and I'll try to keep these all rounded numbers, so it'll be really close. These, I think they're between $5 and $5.50. Let's just go with 1,000 even for both of the amplifiers, the Stetson Vulcan 8Ks. And keep in mind that the numbers could be a little off depending on where you buy it. Limitless 45 amp hour. I've got two of these. I think they were $1,050 each at the time. So we'll just go with $2,100 for both of these. We're gonna go with the RCA distribution block. I think I bought this for $65. So we'll just go with $70 for this one. Why not? Let's include the tools. My multimeter, we'll go ahead and put $15 for that. We'll go ahead and put in my clamp meter. So my clamp meter, I think it was $75 at the time. And then my DD1, I think it was $200. So I'll just put $200 for the DD1. Now all of my wire, we'll start with the speaker wire. My speaker wire, this is not oxygen-free copper, is a little bit cheaper. And I think I bought 100 foot of it. I'd say it's either 100 or 150 foot. But if I remember right, it was like $110 worth of wire for speaker wire. So I'll go ahead and just say, let's just say $100 even for the speaker wire. My RCAs were, I think they were like $20 each. So, and I bought 4 of them, but I'll just count the 2 I have here. So these 2, that's $40. And then we'll run one more to the front, that's $60. And I got one also to the 4-channel amp in the back. So that's $80. So we'll go ahead and just say $80 worth of RCAs. The next thing is wire. So first the ring terminals. I think I bought, over the time, I'd say I probably have at least 50 ring terminals in here. So let's just say $1 each. So we'll say $50 worth of ring terminals. Well, the wire, this is, I have 100% oxygen-free wire throughout the whole system. So the wire, I think I bought 5 or 6 spools between $150 and $2 each. So let's just say 200 times 6. Worst case scenario, $1,200, holy smokes. $1,200 worth of OFC wire in here. I'm telling you, when you start seeing how much money you spent, you'll be surprised. And keep in mind that I don't mind talking about money because it's part of what our hobbies are and it's fun. 4-channel amp here, $140 if I remember right. So $140 for this. I forgot to add the speaker wire and the 4-gauge and 4-aught and some. Let's just put $50 plus or minus another $50 worth of wire for another amp kit I had in there. A lot of 2x4s and all of that I'll talk about in a minute when I get on the other side for what I spent on wood. And some of this is an estimate, kind of burst spending, but see the numbers so far. I don't know the number. I'm just going through and as it goes up, and I'm about to go into the other side as well. Let me just confirm I haven't missed anything on this end. Haven't missed anything that I know of. Speaker wire, amps. Yep, so that's everything there. I don't have anything on this side. I guess I can call these. I bought these for $20 and then $15. So let's say $35 worth of clamps. These clamps I use at shows to keep my hood up because of the bass pressure. We'll go ahead and include that in there, why not? So the speakers, the subwoofers. Let's see, I think they're $700. So 700 times 4. So 7 times 4 is $2,800 plus tax, but I'm not doing taxes until the end. So that's a high big one right there. $2,800 worth of that. The metal pipe bracings I have in here with the flanges, I think they, let's say $25 each, and I got 3. So $75 worth of bracing inside of here. Wow. And then the tape, all of the 3M tape in the whole system, I think it was like, let's just say $15 a roll. I think I've got 10 rolls, 10 or 12 rolls. So let's just go with $180 worth of tape. So I have $180 worth of 3M tape. Holy smokes. The back of this seat, it looks ugly, but I got this at the junkyard for $50 or $40, I can't remember. So we'll just go with $40 for the seat that I have in here. I already tallied up all of the RCAs. I had 4, but I'm only using 2 of these. I think these were $40 each, so $80 for the 2 speakers, and then 25 and 20, so $45 for the voltmeters. The head unit, I'd just say $100 even. I just bought that one. I know that one pretty sure was $100. USBs, I bought 3 DJ USBs over my time, and I use all of them sometimes, so we'll go ahead and put $60 worth of music in there as well. Now for the Dynamat. The Dynamat I've had in all over the vehicle. I also have some under the box and all you don't see that's used in the doors. I think I bought 5 boxes of it, 40 square foot total. And they were like $100 to $120 each. So let's go ahead and just say $450 worth of Dynamat. Holy smokes, I don't know what this number is, but I'm gonna be seeing the end result to find out what it is. So, all right, now for the alternator in the front. I already tallied up all of the wood, or not the wood, but the electrical besides this, the wires and all. So the alternator, I think, let's just go ahead and $500 even for the alternator. Wow. I don't know how much all this is, but that to find out when I edit. And y'all are seeing the number go up as I go. And then I have some input here. These, I think, if I remember right, those were, I should not be touching both. $25 and $25? Yeah, I think it was $25 for the set. $25 or $30, I can't remember. Fuse panels for here and in the back, I have a few. Let's go with $5 each. So let's just go with $25 worth of fuse panels. And I think that covers everything for the system. If there's anything I missed, let me know in the comments afterward. But now I got to do the wooden screws. So I would say I probably got in the wood screws. Let me go look real quick. I've got probably $1,200 in wood between 2x4s, 2x6s, all of the birch wood, and the screws. $1,200. We'll go with $1,200 worth of wood screws between everything. We're talking the amp rack, we're talking about the wall, everything. I have a whole playlist on my main channel, Jacob Vile, for seeing if you want to see the whole playlist on that. So, but yeah, I don't think I've missed anything. If I did, sorry. And like I said, once again, this is a estimate. This number is an estimate. Holy smokes, that's a lot of money for approximately everything brand new to get my system where it is today. And I haven't bought anything used, so I'm pretty impressed with it. Wow. Oh, I forgot to include glue. Let's just go with, because I used probably 10 things of PLX tape, PLX tubing. We'll add another $70 there for that tubing, the glue I forgot to put in. And I think I haven't missed a single thing in here. Oh, the SPL meter. The SPL meter, I think it was $400, so we'll add the $400 for the SPL meter as well. And the money just keeps going up from there. And then all the gas money and traveling and shows and competing whenever I did. I mean, it adds up from there, but it's a fun hobby. Pretty astounded to see how much I spent though. And I haven't missed anything else. Oh, I did miss one thing, foam. I think I've done 12 cans of foam, and let's say $5 each. 12 times 5. So that's another good bit there. So that's $60. So $60 worth of foam. I did some in the doors too. And there's nothing else I can think of in the system. But yeah, let me know in the comments what y'all think about that number. It's crazy how much money I've spent on this system. And then of course there's little things like zip ties, some side screws. We'll just go ahead and do the estimate. And then the final number is, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the final number now. That's gonna go ahead and just include a little bit of taxes in it and efficiency. So let's just go ahead and do, I'm just gonna do 8% on top of whatever the number just was. So, but that's it. Thanks for watching. All right, well, that's the cost number for the whole system. Pretty amazing to see how much money was spent on this system for me to get where I am today over the years. So be sure to give a like if you haven't and subscribe. Thank y'all for the support, as well as checking out the links in the description. And I hope y'all enjoyed this kind of content, something completely different from normal. And the number that you saw was pretty impressive, I'm sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and edit and make sure everything was good for y'all. I'll see you on the next one. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.